These are 2 useful tools for you when shipping your own orders out as a boss babe.
Crown, 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 I never bow down. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business.
Hey guys, it's your girl Seraph and welcome back to Styling by Seraph. I appreciate you being here with me once again. If you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. I want you to continue to join me on my fashion and beauty journey, and I hope that it helps. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys some boss babe tips for your own entrepreneurship journey. I'm going to be unboxing a label printer that I have bought for my business to print out labels, and it's going to be on a sheet of paper that it's like a sticker, which is awesome. So it's not going to require much effort on your part. I'm going to be shipping out an order and I'm going to be showing you the process of that. The first tool is the printer. It's a label printer called MUNBYN and it's from Amazon. Of course, it's ruining the planet, but it gets here fast. This is a crochet headband in the color Crown that I will be putting up on Ceratip.com very soon. I'm going to insert a picture of one of the models whose name is Anicia that was wearing it. I haven't put this on the site yet because I wanted to make sure it was the correct materials that I will be using for the mass production of it. So I didn't want to just put anything on the site because that's not what I'd be doing. You feel me, guys? Alright, so yeah, I have already packed everything that's going to be inside of it, and I'm going to just be putting it in a mailer. Okay, this one. So yes, I have storage boxes here. When I did my room makeover, I'll be doing a room tour soon, so I just want to put more things in my room and make it homey because this is like a totally new space to me. But I have a mailer, just a white mailer from Amazon too. Like I said, I be getting things from Amazon. So I will also insert a photo of the product that I did buy. I can't remember the price, but anything that I did buy, I'll insert a photo just so you guys are aware of it. I'm going to be putting this inside of it. This doesn't require any bubble wrap, but if it did, I would put bubble wrap on it. So I packed it, I put the thank you card, I put my business card. It's just a headband, so it doesn't require anything else. So I'm going to close it. And now the label that I'm going to be printing out of here will be put on here. I wanted to show you guys me using Pirate Ship. So Pirate Ship is a really great way to mail out orders for your own business. Boss babe, you save money for what you mail out, especially for international orders. Right now I mail out international orders specifically for $15. That's the cheapest I could get for it. Depends on the size. Once it gets higher in pounds, then you won't get the luxury of mailing it at 15. It will be 25 instead. But I know I've experienced trying to mail out international orders where it will be so expensive. So when I found out Pirate Ship was a thing and it was that cheap, I was like, all right, I need this. And then just in general for domestic shipping, I know that it can get pricey at the USPS postal office for whatever reason, but this pirate ship site gives you like a not fixed rate, but it's like you don't have to worry about it fluctuating in any way, shape, or form for whatever reason. You just need to know the weight of your item that you're mailing out. So you either go to the postal office to find out what the size of your item that you're shipping is, or you buy your own weight. I don't have a weight. I just went to the postal office in the beginning of my journey of my business, and I just weighed common items to see what the ounces would be like. Things usually are never over a pound, so I never have to worry about like, you know, anything. So yeah, so I'm going to screen record showing you guys me doing the process of creating the label on pirate ship for this order that I'm mailing out. So I am showing you guys me doing a test, basically a hypothetical, putting the address in for my customer, but it's not her real address because I obviously can't tell you guys her real address. So I decided to show you guys how cheap the shipping is by using an address near me. So I chose McDonald's. So as you can see, I'm going to be putting in the address that you see there onto the pirate ship website. And so I first put my customer's first and last name in the box above, and then the box you see me typing in, I put the address. If there was an apartment number, I would put apartment, whatever it is, in the next box, and then the city, and then the state, and then lastly, I would put in the zip code of where I am mailing the order to. So my ship from is my business name and address, but I didn't show you guys that because I don't want to show you guys my exact address. You then put the length and width of your packaging. You choose what kind of packaging you will have, and then you put the length and width, and then also the weight. I chose 3 ounces and 9x6 because that's the packaging that it is being sent in. And as you can see, it's only $2.74 to mail out this order in New Jersey, of course. And you would just click the buy label printer. But I will be mailing out this order to New York, and as you can see, it's the same exact price, $2.74 to mail this order out to a customer in New York. So as you can see, I'm just changing it to the 2nd because postal office is closed today. And all you would do is just click buy label, and it charges your account. And then I will be printing the label out on this MUNBYN product, and I'll be following the instructions to install the driver that will allow me to do so. I downloaded the driver that I needed to download to my laptop. It wouldn't let me continue to screen record, so that's why I'm just talking to you guys here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, this is a tip as well, just something you need to know as a business owner. So your shipping costs on your site doesn't have to necessarily be the exact shipping cost that it requires you to literally ship. So when I use this shipping label website, I get it at a way cheaper price than what I even present on the site. I'm mailing out this order that I'm mailing out now, which is a headband, a crochet headband scrunchie, that someone bought, and this, I put that it was 3 ounces. So usually like the USPS, they don't really they're not gonna be strict about what the weight really is, but you need to just get it close to it. So 3 ounces to New York was $2.94. But my shipping for this that I told her was $4.50. So this was an offline order. So there's differences that happen when you get charges for online orders compared to offline orders. So for offline orders, I did through Zelle, so there was no charge at all. the amount that I asked her for was sent straight to my account. So even though I told her that was $4.50 for shipping, in reality it was $2.94. So I saved $1.56 or whatever. Feel me? So think about that. Like, think about ways you can save for your shipping costs. It doesn't have to be exactly what the shipping cost is, and especially when you are doing sales, you need to make sure that, yeah, you're having a 50% off sale, but your shipping cost needs to go up, because you need to make sure that somehow you still profit, somehow you still do well from that sale. So I usually hike up my shipping costs to around like $7 for the lowest, well, $6 for the lowest size item, $7 for most things. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you are shipping your item. Definitely check out this site. I really appreciate you guys joining me on this experience of mine, because I really needed a printer, because my printers, like regular normal printers, kept breaking, and it really was a hassle to be cutting out like labels all the time. And then I ended up having to go to Staples to print out labels, especially because everything was closed because of COVID, so I couldn't just go to a library. So I'd always have to go to Staples, which is a lot. It is a lot. So I finally got a label printer, thank God. And so I think you guys should check out this label printer if you are a boss babe on your entrepreneurship journey. And yeah, I really do hope that it's useful for you. I really appreciate you guys once again for watching Styling by Sarah. I hope that this was helpful. Hope that you learned something that will help you along your own entrepreneurship journey. Please like the video so I know that you want more boss babe tips from me. If you are going to try out pirate ship, like this video. If you're going to maybe get this MUNBYN, like this video. I have attached a link to this printer though onto the description box below. I really appreciate you guys once again, okay? And I will see you next time.
You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You should sip your tea and mind your business.